Hey folks, today is April the 12th. It's currently 9:22 in the morning. I have to look at heading out here shortly, so I'm going to try and put a trade on. I've looked through a couple of the pairs that we have here, and this one looks interesting. As you guys can see right here at this red line that I've put in, market has come up to this level on multiple occasions and used it as resistance, so my bet is it's going to use it as support now. We have an entry zone here. Actually, let me see what this is a shark pattern. And this is on the AUD and ZD 15-minute chart. So I'm going to take this trade, I think. New order. Buy. Let's go ahead and place this in. Place our stop down here. Profit target 1 is right here. All right, hopefully it'll come down just a tad. I don't want to get in at the same price. Okay, maybe it'll come up a little bit more then. I just don't want my entry price to be at that same level. We'll give it a second here. All right, let's just go ahead and jump in and see what happens. All right, so it is off a little, which is good for us. We can go ahead and move this down here. And we'll move this up here. All right, so we are golden. As you guys can see, this is our break-even level. Stop. First take profit, second take profit. We're going to leave that where it is. I'm going to head out. It's 9:24 now. And hopefully when I come back, we will have seen that our levels will have been hit. All right, so we'll see what happens here. I'm going to pause it, and I'll come back hopefully within an hour or two, and we'll see what's happened. All right, folks, I'm back. And as you guys can see here, our first profit target was hit. Second is still way up here. If I had been here, I would have easily moved my stop up to break even. And we would have only had one profit target hit, but we would have had a no-risk trade. But as it stands right now, we're still in the middle of this buying area. And we'll just continue to watch it and see what happens. If I get the opportunity, if the market pushes back up here, I'll go ahead and move my stop back up to break even, which is where it should have been placed. But there's nothing that could have been done about that. I wasn't here to catch it, so it is what it is. All right, so I'll go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back, hopefully, once we get back into profit on the second half of this trade. All right, folks, just another quick update. I'm going to go ahead and jump out of this trade. Like I said, if I had been here, I would have moved my stop up to break even +1, and we would have been hit right around there. So I'm going to go ahead and just exit out of the trade, break even +1. Not necessarily, trying to catch a big move or anything like that. There's still a potential that the market is going to shoot higher, obviously, but I'm perfectly fine with the first profit target being hit and with a break even +1. So we'll just let this play out and see what happens with it. We're only at 4 minutes and 21 seconds, so we're making good time here. Try to keep this under 10 minutes. All right, I'll be back as we approach that level. Actually, it looks like we're turning green again here. All right, folks, I'm trying to log into the iMarkets Live back office right now. I've had several questions, and I'm going to try and touch on a couple of them here. And as you guys can see, we're getting closer to that profit target, that break-even +1 level. And again, even if the market pushes up here, I know myself, and I know that I most likely would have moved my stop up to break even +1 once that first profit target got hit. So like I said, that's why I'm okay doing that. And there it is. So that first part of the trade hit the first profit target. Second part of the trade, second half of the trade, I should say, was break even +1. So we made one pip on that one. All right, let's take a look here in the back office. All right, folks. So if we're back here, we go to trading library. This is where you can get all the information on how to actually enter the trades, why I'm entering trades. They also talk about the support and resistance levels. Let's go to beginner videos. You guys can see over here, there's an entire section on support and resistance, or a video, and you guys can see that here. And this is kind of your training area. You're going to go through, you're going to watch all of these videos, and then after you watch all those, you're going to go into the advanced. And there's more here, advanced videos too. Then they have, you can see here the harmonic, pattern, and Elliott. Let's see what that is. That is most likely talking about these patterns. At least that's what I'm assuming here. All right, let's see here. Harmonic scanner. That's downloading it. FX Signals Live. All right, here it is. Then they also have trading books. They also have several webinars that you can watch on the actual software itself. Pivot points, basics of Forex. That's for setting up NinjaTrader, harmonic patterns. So everything you're going to need as far as learning how to do exactly the same thing I'm doing, what you guys have seen me doing with this, is in the back office. So you're definitely going to have access to everything to get up to speed to where I'm at right now and to where a lot of other people are as well. All right, and something I don't mention a lot is the trade size and account risk section over here. If you have, say, a smaller account and you want to risk, 3% per trade or 2%, this will actually give you exactly how many lots you can risk, how much money you can risk. Okay, so that kind of takes the guesswork out of that, does it for you. They also have account information here. So this is all information that you guys are going to have access to with this particular software. And again, this was a $5 million sim account. I didn't know it was going to be $5 million, but I found that out after I had already started it. So it is what it is. Doesn't really matter what the size is. I want you guys, or my main focus is on the amount of pips. If I make 20 pips, you should be able to know that if you're trading 5 contracts, you'll be able to figure out what that would look like in your account. The same if you're trading, 0.01 contracts or 0.10 contracts. Sorry about that. But yeah, I hope that answered some of the questions that I've gotten about the harmonic scanner. Everything that you're going to need to be able to, do what I'm doing, folks, is in the back office. There is a lot of training in here, a lot of videos by Chris Terry, and you're also going to have access to the trade room for the Forex with the New York session as well as the London session. So everything is going to be there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send them my way. And if you want to get more information on the harmonic scanner or anything with iMarkets Live, definitely click the link below. All right, folks, take care.